Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clone apps on your iPhone, meaning how to use two accounts for the same app at once. Alright, first of all, open the Safari app on your iPhone and then go to the website version of the app you want to clone. For this demo, let's use Instagram. Once the page loads, log in with your second account and now at the bottom right corner of your screen, tap on the three dots menu and then select Share from the given options. After that, scroll down and tap on Add to Home Screen. Now, you will see it automatically picks up the app's logo and name, and you can also edit the name if you want. And when you're happy with everything, just tap on Add at the top right corner and it appears on your home screen like a brand new app. Now, you will have two Instagram icons side by side. One opens the official app from the App Store and the other opens the web-based version that's logged into your second account. And that's all. You've successfully cloned an app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.